Hey, everyone. In today's video, I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to delete accounts on Google Authenticator. Let's dive right in. Alright, so first things first. Open up your Google Authenticator app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to grab it from the App Store. Now, once you have the app open, locate the account you want to delete. It's usually listed along with the codes it generates. Click and hold the account you want to delete. When you release it, you'll notice a little pencil icon at the top right corner of the account. Go ahead and give that a click. When you click on the pencil icon, a menu will pop up. Look for the delete option, it's usually right there in the top right corner. Click on delete, and it will prompt you to confirm the action. Confirm that you want to remove the account, and just like that, it's gone. You won't see it listed in your Google Authenticator anymore. And there you have it, guys. Deleting accounts on Google Authenticator is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.